For solving pair of linear equations, we know we have some methods. In the graphical method, substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method there. So we saw the pair of linear equations to solve through graphical method. Now we see solve the pair of linear equations by substitution method. So for that, here given a problem, solve each pair of equations by using substitution method, and the problem is 3x minus 5y equal to minus 1 and x minus y equal to minus 1. So here first we taken the given equations, 3x minus 5y equal to minus 1 and x minus y equal to minus 1. These were the given two equations. Now in that, any one equation we taking and that equation to either we writing x equal to, otherwise y equal to, and which equation we taken, that to the remaining equation to that x coefficient, either x value or y value we substituting, then we get one value. Okay, now we observing. So now here I am taking the second equation, x minus y equal to minus 1. Now here this two minus y value transferring that side, that means that is nothing but plus. So x equal to y minus 1. Now this x value substituting in equation 1. So from equation 1, 3x minus 5y equal to minus 1. Now in the place of x, now I am substituting y minus 1. 3 into y minus 1 minus 5y equal to minus 1. Now 3 is multiplying with y minus 1. So 3 into y, 3y, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, that equal to 3y minus 3 minus 5y equal to minus 1. So 3y minus 5y is nothing but minus 2y. Minus 3 transfer to that side, that is plus 3. 3 minus 1 equal to minus 2. So minus 2y equal to 3 minus 1 equal to plus 2. So that is plus 2. So minus 2y equal to plus 2. Y equal to multiplication to transfer to this side, that is division, 2 by minus 2, that is nothing but minus 1. So y value is minus 1. Now the y value substituting here. So x equal to y minus 1. If we substitute this y value, we get the corresponding x value. So y equal to minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 means that is nothing but minus 2. So x value is minus 2, y value is minus 1. So in this method, in substitution method, we solve the problem. Now if we observe the second problem, 2x minus 3y equal to 19, 3x minus 2y equal to 21. So first the given equations writing, 2x minus 3y equal to 19 and 3x minus 2y equal to 21. So here any equation we have a chance to take. If I am taking the first equation from equation 1, now 2x minus 3y equal to 19, and here if we transfer x otherwise y, not a problem. If here if we observed means y is a negative term, that purpose y value I am sending. Now 2x equal to 19 plus 3y. Now multiplication to transfer to this side, that is division. So x equal to 19 plus 3y by 2. So x equal to 19 plus 3y by 2. Now substituting x value in equation 2. Now if we substitute x value in equation 2, now we get y value. Okay, so now the second equation is 3x minus 2y equal to 21. Now in the place of x, now I am writing 19 plus 3y by 2. So 3 into 19 plus 3y by 2 minus 2y equal to 21. So now 3 is multiplying with 19 plus 3y. So 19 3s, that is 57. 3 3s 9. Y by 2 minus 2y equal to 21. So here 2y given means its denominator is nothing but 1. So here denominator 2 there. So 2 and 1 LCM is 2. So here LCM of this LHS is 2. So 2 LCM taken means 57 plus 9y minus 2 2's 4. So 4y equal to 21. So 9y minus 4y equal to 5y. 57 plus 5y by 2 equal to 21. Now division to transfer to that side, that is nothing but multiplication. So 57 plus 5y equal to 21 into 2. 21 2 ja 42. So 57 plus 5y equal to 42. Now this plus 57 transfer to that side, that is minus 57. So 42 minus 57. So minus 57 plus 42, that means that is nothing but minus 15. So now y equal to multiplication 5 transfer to this side, that is nothing but division. Minus 15 by 5 is equal to minus 3. Now y value we get as minus 3. Now y value substituting here, x equal to 19 plus 3y by 2. X equal to 19 plus 3y by 2. In that y value minus 3 substituting, that equal to 19 plus 3 into minus 3 by 2. 19 by 3 minus 3, 3 into minus 3, that is nothing but minus 9. So 19 minus 9 equal to 10. 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. So here x value is 5 and y value is minus 3 we get. Now if we observe the problem, x plus 6 by y equal to 6, 3x minus 8 by y equal to 5. Solve this one using substitution method given. So here the given equations writing, x plus 6 by y equal to 6, 3x minus 8 by y equal to 5. Now the given two equations to, if I taken the first equation, so from equation 1, x plus 6 by y equal to 6. Now here simply this 6 by y transferring that side, then we can write x equal to 6 minus 6 by y. Now this x value substituting in equation 2, then we get easily y value. So substitute x value in equation 2. So the second equation is given 3x minus 8 by 5 equal to 5. Okay, now in that x place 6 minus 6 by y substituting. So 3 into 6 minus 6 by y minus 8 by y equal to 5. Now 3 multiplying with 6 minus 6 by y. So 3 into 6 18. 3 into 6 by y equal to 18 by y. So 18 minus 18 by y minus 8 by y equal to 5. Okay, now plus 18 transfer to that side, that is nothing but minus 18. So 5 minus 18. So minus 18 plus 5 is nothing but minus 13. Now here the remaining one is minus 18 by y minus 8 by y. Now here if we observe, both have same denominator y. So they are like fractions. So directly we can add or subtract the numerators. That means minus 18 minus 8 by y. Minus 18 minus 8 is minus 26. Minus 26 by y is equal to minus 13. Now if we find y value, so y is transferring this side and minus 13 is transferring this side. Now we can write y equal to minus 26 by minus 13. So minus minus gets cancelled and 13 to 26. So y equal to 2. Now this y value substituting here, x equal to 6 minus 6 by y, that equal to 6 minus 6 by 2. So 2 ones 2 3s, 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is nothing but 3. So here we get x value as 3, y value as 2 for these two pair of linear equations. Okay. Now we observe the another problem here given one 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y equal to 2.3. So these two pair of linear equations solve by using substitution method. So now we taken the first equation 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3. Now if we observe, all have point. So if we remove the point, we can write so the denominator as 10. So 2 by 10 x plus 3 by 10 y equal to 13 by 10. Okay. Now here both 2 by 10x plus 3 by 10y, observe they are like fractions. So directly we add the numerators. So that is 2x plus 3y by 10 equal to 13 by 10. Now this denominator 10 transfer to this side, that is multiplication. So 2x plus 3y equal to 13 by 10 into 10. So 10 gets cancelled. That means 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Now this will be taken as first equation. Now the second one, observing 0.4x plus 0.5y equal to 2.3 given. So this one also similarly before equation model only we written 4 by 10x plus 5 by 10y equal to 23 by 10. Now here also like fractions, so directly adding the numerators, 4x plus 5y by 10 equal to 23 by 10. 4x plus 5y equal to, now this denominator transferring, so that is multiplication. 23 by 10 into 10, 10 gets cancelled, that means 4x plus 5y equal to 23. Now we get the two equations. 2x plus 3y equal to 13, 4x plus 5y equal to 23. Now we take any one equation and substitute in another equation. If I am taking first equation from equation 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 13. If I am writing y equal to, now 3y equal to 13 minus 2x plus 2x transfer to that side, that is minus 2x. Now multiplication 3 transferring that side, that is division. Y equal to 13 minus 2x by 3. Now this y value substituting in equation 2. Substitute y value in equation 2, so that is 4x plus 5y equal to 23. Now in the place of y I am writing 13 minus 2x by 3. So 4 into x plus 5 into 13 minus 2x by 3 equal to 23. Okay, now 5 multiplied with 13 minus 2x by 3. 13 5 ja 65, 2 5 ja 10. So 4x plus 65 minus 10x by 3 equal to 23. Now here 4 means its denominator is nothing but 3. Now 1 3 LCM is 3 only. Now 3 4s 12x plus 65 minus 10x equal to 23. Okay, now this 12x minus 10x equal to 2x. So 2x plus 65 by 3 equal to 23. Now denominator 3 transfer to the side, that is nothing but multiplication. So 2x plus 65 equal to 23 into 3. 23 3 ja 69. So 2x equal plus 65 equal to 69. Now plus 65 transfer to that side, that is nothing but minus 65. So 69 minus 65 equal to 4. So 2x equal to 4, then x equal to 4 by 2, that is nothing but 2. So x value is 2 we get. Now this x value substituting here. So y equal to 13 minus 2x by 3. Now in the place of x, now we substituting 2. So 13 minus 2 into 2 by 3. So 2 2's 4. So 13 minus 4 by 3. So 13 minus 4 is nothing but 9. So 9 by 3 equal to 3. So the y value is nothing but 3. So for this pair of linear equations, we get x value as 2 and y value as 3 by using substitution method. Now before we saw solving the pair of linear equations by substitution method, now we observing the solving of pair of linear equations through elimination method. So in that elimination method, what we have to do means we have to equalize any one of the coefficients, either x otherwise y. So by equalizing, by adding or subtracting, cancel that the coefficient, then we get either x equal to or y equal to. One solution. Now that is substituting in another one, we get the remaining coordinate. Okay, so for that purpose here given a problem 8x plus 5y equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y equal to 4. So first that one taking, so 8x plus 5y equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Now in that both equations either we equalize x coefficient, otherwise y coefficient. So here if I equalize x coefficients, then so x coefficient is here 8, first equation to second equation to 3. Now we have to take the LCM of the both the coefficients. So 8 3 LCM is 24. That means the first equation is multiplied with 3 and the second equation is multiplied with 8. So first equation is multiplying with 3, then we can write total equation multiplying with 3. So 8 3 ja 24x plus 5 3 ja 15y equal to 9 3 ja 27. Okay. Now the second equation is multiplying with 8. So 2 into 8. So now 3 into 8 equal to 24x plus 2 into 8 equal to 16. So 16y equal to 4 into 8, that is nothing but 32. Now these two equations to subtracting. So we change the symbols. 24x minus 24x both were gets cancelled. Minus 16y plus 15y, that is nothing but minus y equal to minus 32 plus 27, that is nothing but minus 5. So minus y equal to minus 5. So y equal to, that is nothing but plus 5. Now if we substitute y value in any one equations, we get the corresponding x value. If I am substituting in equation 2, from equation 2, 3x plus 2y equal to 4. So 3x plus 2 into y value is 5 equal to 4. So 2 5s 10. 3x plus 10 equal to 4. Now plus 10 transfer to that side, that is minus 10. 4 minus 10. 4 minus 10 equal to minus 6. Now x equal to minus 6 by 3. Minus 6 by 3 is nothing but minus 2. So here we get x value as minus 2 and y value as plus 5. Now here we observe, here given the another problem 2x plus 3y equal to 8 and x plus 2y equal to 5. So now 2x plus 3y equal to 8 is taken as first equation and x plus 2y equal to 5 as second equation. Now in that both equations, if we observe here, second equation to x coefficient is nothing there. So first equation to x coefficient is 2 there. So simply I am multiplying second equation with 2. Then both the x coefficients are equalized. So now the first equation directly writing 2x plus 3y equal to 8. And the second equation is multiplying with 2. Now 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 2, 4y equal to 2 into 5, that is nothing but 10. Now here 2x coefficients are equal. So for getting the y value purpose, subtracting, so changing the symbols, 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. Minus 4y plus 3y is nothing but minus y, equal to minus 10 plus 8, that is equal to minus 2. So minus y equal to minus 2. So y is nothing but plus 2. Now y value is substituting any one equation, we get x value. So I am taking equation 2. From equation 2, x plus 2y equal to 5. Now x plus y value as 2 we know. So 2 into 2 equal to 5. 2 2's 4. So x plus 4 equal to 5. So x equal to 5 minus 4. So x value is nothing but 1. So here we get x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. For the pair of system of linear equations, 2x plus 3y equal to 8 and x plus 2y equal to 5. And here given another pair of linear equations, 3x plus 4y equal to 25, 5x minus 6y equal to minus 9. So now if we taken this one, 3x minus 4y equal to 25 and 5x minus 6y equal to minus 9. So in these two equations, so if we equalize y coefficients, so here first equation to y coefficient is 4, second equation to y coefficient is 6. So 4 6 LCM is nothing but 12. So the first equation multiplying with 3. So first equation is multiplying with 3. Then we write 3 3 ja 9x plus 4 3 ja 12y, that equal to 25 3 ja 75. For the second equation multiplying with 2. Now 5 2 ja 10x minus 2 6 ja 12y and my 2 into minus 9, that is nothing but minus 18. Now here plus 12y minus 12y, so both are with a different symbol only, so directly cancel adding. So 9 plus 10, that is nothing but 19x plus 12y minus 12y, both were gets cancelled, that equal to 75 minus 18. 75 minus 18 is nothing but 57. So 19x equal to 57, then x equal to 57 by 19. So 19 ones, 19 threes, so x equal to 3. Now x value substituting in equation 1. So from equation 1, 3x plus 4y equal to 25. Now 3 into 3 plus 4y equal to 25. So 3 3 ja 9 plus 4y equal to 25. So plus 9 transfer to that side, that is minus 9. 25 minus 9, that is 16. So 4y equal to 16, then y equal to 16 by 4. So 16 by 4 means that is 4 only.